Green by Keith Baker. I see you out there, little green. In the flowers and between. Looks like he's gonna paint a picture of him somehow. Zipping round and round and round. Jigging, jugging, down, up, down. Dip, dip, dipping. Sip, sip, sipping. Looping in a curlicue. There's a little caterpillar. Little green, I still see you. Going, coming, softly humming. We get around very fast. Stopping, starting, dashing, darting. Zigging, zagging everywhere. Hovering up in the air. Coming for a closer view. Closer, closer, closest. I wonder if you see me too. I think so. Well, I've been busy watching you. And painting how you flew and flew. The end. Thanks for watching, friends.
Thank you for watching and liking us. Subscribe, thumbs up, support your local readers. I wonder what's up next.